what's happening? It's part 2 to my video that I posted this morning. Damn, it's bright out here. I just got off work. I'm about to turn into my subdivision right now, and it is hot as hell outside, man. My wife called me talking about it's burning up on the second floor, so I gotta go take care of that. I can't have them in there burning. So, ooh, y'all see the games? Look at that. Games. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and get this cracking with this damn capacitor. And I hope this is the only thing. Oh shoot, my bad. I hope this is the only thing that I gotta change, and that this fixes the problem, so we can get some air in that house on the second floor, or we gonna be sleeping in sleeping bags on the first floor. Cause I can't sleep in all that heat unless I'm the one creating it. But anyway, not too far from the house. I want y'all to check out this greeting I get from my dog, man. She do this little dance for me. It's funny. Look like she gonna break her damn hip. She be standing right there by the garage door. As soon as I pull in, waiting on me. I'm gonna let y'all check her little dance out, and then we're gonna get on with this repair. And I can get on with my night and hit this basement and get these damn games. Yeah, those games. Bow. Don't hate. Bow. Don't hate. Bow. Don't hate. Do some push-ups and you'll be able to move your chest like that too. I don't know about the females. That would be pretty impressive if a female can move her chest like that. I'm just saying. Guess I need to turn off my radio. Watch. She gonna come to this door. She gonna be standing right there, wagging her tail like a mofo. Watch this. If she ain't in her cage, she gonna be at the door waiting on me. I don't see any reason she'll be in the cage unless she pissed my wife off. So I'm gonna let y'all check this out because it's hot in this car. Watch this. She's gonna be standing right by the door. Watch this. Oops, my fault. No, forgive me for this shaky picture. Watch this.
Hi, Daddy.
What's up? Watch out. Move back, Jordan, so I can open the door. Let her go. Move back. Watch this.
I have a shot. Daddy, I got a shot.
Oh, yeah?
No, you got a feeling.
Down.
Why is it on your lip?
See what I'm saying? Okay. Ouch. Okay, man, you'll be okay. Goodness. Be a man about the situation, brother.
Daddy,
A man, not a squirrel. What?
Daddy, I'm going Tuesday instead of today.
Okay.
And I'm just going tomorrow.
Be a man and not a squirrel, brother. A man and not a squirrel. Smile. Say hi. I'm about to.
Thank you.
Get off that door like that. I don't know what's up with this thing. Keep twisting around like this. Back upstairs. Back upstairs. Back upstairs. Go. Go. Now. I'm talking to you too. Go. These kids are wild, man. I'm down here looking in the basement for my gloves. I ain't trying to get shocked. You know what? I'll be alright. If I get shocked, y'all know what happened. Let me feed my fish real fast. I know they've been waiting to eat. Yeah, and we had a casualty yesterday. I don't know why he died. I'm a fish killer. I feed him every day though. I'm a dang fish killer. Look how they come over here. Y'all ready to eat? Y'all ready to eat? Yeah. All right, now that they fed, it's on to this repair so I can get some air in the house. Y'all gonna see how it work because y'all about to be there with me. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm about to go out here and go ahead and repair this. I got my tools that I need, and of course, I got protection for my hands. Here's the beast right here. See, I got two of these bad boys. Two. First, you gotta pull this disconnect out or get your ass fried. We don't want that. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and place this right here. So I'm gonna sit y'all down right behind me so y'all can see what the funk I'm doing. Is that clear to you? Them forearm gains, boy. Muscle and repair. Muscle and repair. Take these two screws off. Here's the bad condenser the bad capacitor right here. Look at that mofo. Rusty. Guess what I did though? I left the damn new capacitor in the car. So, pause. I'm back. Alright. Time to put the new cap on. I just shorted out the old. Y'all can't even see what the hell I'm doing. Alright. Like I said, this ain't no repair channel. It's just it's still a fitness channel, my niggas. Damn. You can barely make out what this shit say. So. Oh, it's easy. Alright. Bam. Bam. Gonna two on the outside. Oh shit. Hope they came off of there. That's what happens when you pull too hard, yo. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Oh yeah, that went to the, all right. Next. Take this one off. Here. Next. Careful with it. This shit rusted. Take this one off. That one right here. Take off this last one. Place that one. Between here. Alright. So, I'm going ahead. Step back there. Get my screw. It's hotter than a mofo out here. This repair stuff is real, boy. Y'all see that hard work on my face? The sweat. Bring this down some. Alright, that should be it right there. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, this the old one. Look at that shit. Like I told you, it's bubbled up at the top. Look at that. That's no good. The hell I'm gonna do with that? Yeah, no good. Yeah, ab gains. All right, disconnect this back in. Close that box up. Let's go in the house and turn this dang power back on. See if we got a working condenser. See if we can put some air back in this house. All right, I'm about to go downstairs and cut the breakers back on. Look at that. Say what's up, boo. Look. You say hello. You say hello. You say hello. This is my baby girl. What's up, boo? What's up? You say hello? Look at that pretty face. Give me paw. Paw. You're a sweetie. Alright, enough of the playing. She's a sweetie. Alright. Flip this motherfucking breaker back on. And go upstairs on the second floor and cut the thermostat back on. Man, it's hotter than a motherfucker in this house. Look at that. 89 in the house. Alright, here goes nothing. I'm about to see if it's gonna work. Set it to cool. Wait for the furnace to kick on. Come on, broski. All right, there go the furnace. Let me see if the condenser came on. Move, girl. I know. I got people on my dang back. Is it on? Is it on? It's working, y'all. I got the air back on in the house. It's working. Success. I have to take a victory spit right there. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Schooling paid off. Stay in school, kids. I just saved myself $150 to a $200 repair, all just for a battery. Okay, this day ended on a happy note, so good. Both of them going. Both of them going. Both of them. Look at that. Arrow on this side. Arrow on the broken side. Holla at your boy. Holla at your boy. I'm gonna go ahead and button this unit back up. Put the cover back on. And I'm about to get the fuck out of here. Cause I'm hot. I'm hungry. I fixed the AC. I'm feeling real proud right now. Your boy got skills. And comment, subscribe, like, share. I hope y'all learned something today. And y'all have a good night. Let's get it.